Welcome to 1903 Don Felipe. This video is specifically for the title company so you can see. This is where you believe there to be a structure. As you can see, it is a driveway. There is nothing here. That was a trailer. It's moved to Texas. Taking you back here. Let me see if I can walk a little faster. All right, coming around the garage here. This continues to be part of the property. So there's the garage that we just came around the corner. Here's the little shed thing that you can see on the current survey. And here is the rest of it. I do believe that what you saw in those photos was probably a parked flatbed trailer and a couple of cars. But just to be clear, there you go. No new structures out here at all. There's the propane tank. Let me just go ahead and flip this back around for you. There you go. Nothing. There's the backyard. There's concrete there. There's nothing new. It's all from before he bought it in 1992. There you go. There's our little propane tank. Still on this easement. No new structures on the east side of the building, as you can see. Nothing new on the front side of the building either. Everything is as it was when that survey was done. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one. Bye.